Unit 1 Numbers. Recall. In class 4, we have learnt about numbers up to 6 digits. Let us have a quick review of what we have learnt. We are using the Hindu-Arabic numerals. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By using these 10 digits, we form many numbers and do a lot of calculations by using them. It is the standard pattern of numbers what we use now across the world. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the single-digit numbers called as units or ones, the smallest one-digit number, and 9 is the greatest one-digit number. 12, 98, 99 are the double or two-digit number having tens and ones. Similarly, here 10 is the smallest two-digit number and 99 is the greatest two-digit number. 100, 101, 102, 998, 999 are the three-digit numbers having hundreds, tens and ones. In three-digit numbers, 100 is the smallest and 999 is the greatest number. Likewise, we can write any number of digits and read, write and calculate them in different ways in different occasions. Exercise 1A. A. Write the number names for each of the following numbers using Indian place value system. B. Write the following numbers in figures. 1. C. Write the place value of. D. Fill in the blanks using greater than or less than. 1. E. Write the successor of. 1. F. Find the predecessor of. In words using International Place Value System. 1. H. Write the following numbers in figures. I. Write the greatest and the smallest three-digit numbers without repeating a digit from the following digits. 1. J. Write the greatest four-digit number using all the three digits 6, 2, 5 and you may repeat the digits. K. Write the greatest six-digit number using 5 different digits. Let's be aware, there are different numeral systems like Greek, Roman numerals, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions. Indian place value chart. Numbers beyond 9, 99, 999. When we add 1 to any of the greatest of a number of given number of digits, we get the smallest of the next number having one digit more than the given one. For example, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Here, 9 is the greatest one-digit number. When we add 1, we get 10, where 10 is the smallest number of two digits. Similarly, 99 plus 1 equals 100, 999 plus 1 equals 1000, 9999 plus 1 equals 10,000, 99,999 plus 1 equals 1 lakh, 9,99,999 plus 1 equals 10 lakhs. This is how we generate the numbers from 0 to crores and above as a number. We use different names for each place as 1, 10, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores, etc. Place value charts. In place value chart, each period like crores, lakhs and thousands carry 2 digits each, and one's period consists of 3 digits with commas. For example, 14, 35, 56, 876. 14 crores, 35 lakhs, 56,876. Periods, units, thousands, lakhs, value system, 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. These are units, thousands, lakhs and crores. Example, write the numbers in Indian place value system with proper commas and number names. 23 crores, 1 lakh, 50,673. 69 crores, 80 lakhs and 12. Note, when there is a zero in 10 lakhs place or 10,000s place, we consider only the lakhs or the thousands. Example A. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. 1, 0 is considered as 1 lakh. 2. When there is 0 in lakhs place or thousands place, we consider the 10 lakhs or 10 thousands. Example B. 1000, 10,000. 0, 5 is considered as 50 lakhs. Always read the periods together. Always insert the commas. Wherever 0 appears, do not consider the number or period while reading or naming the numbers. Let's be aware. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 equals 1 crore. 8-digit number. The number 1 with 9 zeros is called giga. The number 1 with 12 zeros is called tera. 1b. A. Write the following numbers in place value chart. B. Write the following numbers in words. 6. 53 crores, 5 lakhs. C. Write each of the following numbers in figures. 6. 57 crore digit in a number. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, 3 crores 65 lakhs 34,901 form of the digits. 54 crores 68 lakhs 82,349. Comparison of numbers. Let's take 2 different numbers to compare. Find out which is the greatest number. For example, 45 lakhs 78,890 and 45 crores 67 lakhs 89,320. Solution. Step 1 has only 7 digits and the second number has 9 digits. 9-digit number is greater than 7-digit number of the numbers. Successor is nothing but the number we get by adding 1 to the given number. For example, predecessor is just 1 less than the given number. For example, we can also form the greatest and smallest numbers from the given digits. For example, we get the greatest number. Note, if the 0 comes in the given number while it takes second place. For example, take the digits 6, 7, 2 and 0, 0, 67. Not 0,